What's up, guys? Today we have a very special video for you. It looks like crap out here in North and South Carolina because of the rain, but nevertheless we still have a pretty good video ahead of us. Right now I'm going to go pick up my buddy Darian. He's going to be our cameraman for the day, and we have a new car reveal on the channel. I know you've always seen the Camaro and the red Genesis and the ST, but we're doing an upgrade today, so it should be a pretty interesting video for you guys to watch, and it's a pretty interesting car. It's one that I'm kind of jealous of. But before we get started, I'd like to say this episode is sponsored by us, the Ultimate Car Culture Group and the Ultimate Car Culture Facebook page. So go on to Facebook and look us up at Ultimate Car Culture. You'll see probably a Camaro, Mustang, maybe a 350Z on the title page, and just join our group, man. So as you guys know, we don't upload as often as people would like, but we don't get that many views either. And the people that do view our YouTube channel, thank you very much for all your support, and we try to make these videos as much as we can. But we are not millionaires, and we can't drive supercars through the snow like our boys over there at DDE. So we just got to make simple videos every now and then, because this is not our jobs, this is our hobby. We would probably like to make it our jobs one day, but we need your support to do that. The billionaire neighborhood up here in North Carolina. I live in South Carolina. We in Scrubville in South Carolina. You know, we tried to make this video while it was beautiful and sunny and everything, but you can't never depend on North Carolina's weather or South Carolina's weather. I'm right on the line. That's why I always say that. Hopefully when we get to the dealership and we pick up the car, it's not raining as bad. A little mist doesn't hurt anything, but we don't want it downpouring or have a torrential rain or anything like that. We just... Alright guys, so it's time to say goodbye to the Jenny once and for all. It was a good ride for a while, but we have bigger upgrades coming. And dun dun dun! Look at him. There he is, the man of the hour. But anyways, it's time to say goodbye to the red Jenny. And before we do that, we're just going to give you one last look around the car before we tap it on the ass and say, see you later, bitch. Alright guys, so we're here at Carolina Auto Direct in Mooresville, North Carolina. If you are looking for a car, looking for a deal, these guys, they will work with you, and they have such a variety of cars. They have, we got a Hellcat here, we got a Hellcat in the back over there, we got the Golf R, we got the Hot Wheels brand Camaro right here. Which one of these cars do you think is going to be the new car for the Ultimate Car Culture channel? You can only guess. You only got one guess. It's which car do you think it's going to be? If it's even going to be one of these cars, because it just might not be. But you will find out in just a second, because it's not going to be any of these cars on the front lot right here. It's going to be this car. So guys, yeah, we're about to finish up this video. Brian did buy the car. We're trying to figure out what we should put on the back of his car as the personalized license tag, whatever you want to call it. But this is a 2019 Mustang GT spec'd out with the RTR ground effects package. It's got the RTR badges, the wheels, the ground effects. It's even got these lights. If you buy these lights separate, they're like $1,500. So they're already in the car. It is a beautiful car, and we're thinking about putting a Rockstar on the back of that car. That'd be the shit, wouldn't it?